Ella. Ella.
Hi, Mommy. I'm eating my tissue, Mommy.
Trying to stuff that in there with your pacifier, sweetie.
Should I take the pacifier out? Oops.
Ella. What happened to your toy?
Oh, she looks serious.
The look on her face is very impressed.
You get it?
Yum. Yum. Honey, can you move that milk glass? Thank you. Ella.
It's just Manda Bear take.
Building something. Ella, can you look at Mommy? She's funny.
So tell me when to head out tomorrow morning. Earlier the better.
Whatever you want to do.
That wasn't my question.
Hello, Mommy. Hello.
Can you smile for us?
I drew for you.
Amanda, you want to come sing Ella a song?
What song do you think we should sing, Manda Bear?
Manda.
Manda, maybe we should do Itsy bitsy spider up the water spout.
Stand next to Grandma.
Down came the rain and
Wash the spider out. Good job.
out came the
Do you want me to hold
sun.
Ashley for you?
Dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider up the spout again.
Yay!
Okay. She wants to sit like this and watch. Now twinkle twinkle.
Wanna do? Okay.
Stand a little bit closer to Grandma.
Stand right next to Ella so she can see you.
Yeah.
Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Sing.
How I wonder what you are.
Sing it to Ella so she can know how it
Up
works.
above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay!
Good job, girls.
Amanda, can you give Ella a kiss? Oh. Ella tries to eat her face. Okay, say bye-bye, Ella. Yeah. Bye.
Hey.
Is Daddy being silly?
Hey. Yes.
Say bye-bye, Ella.
Bye-bye, Cameron.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.